I have a big announcement at the end of this video. Please do not miss it. If you don't want to watch the video, just skip over and see the announcement. They passed a post office bill in the House. Now it has to go to the Senate for their vote to get it passed through the president's signature. What do you think about this post office bill? Will the Senate pass it, or will they sit on it until the end of September? Let me know in the comments. Now what about we the people? When will we ever get help? It don't look like to me we ever will. All they're doing is playing games with us and showing us how much they don't care. In November, we need to show them how much we don't care about them. A lot of people is saying they're not going to vote. Y'all, that's the wrong approach. You have to vote. You have to vote these people out of office. Vote all the scum out. If you don't vote, that don't hurt them. You have to actually vote and vote against the ones that's in office now. Okay, my big announcement. Y'all, this very well may be my last video on this channel. Yesterday I made a video. The title was "The IRS is Sending Out Checks." I did not say stimulus checks, I said checks. So many people took that out of context and said that I was using clickbait, that I am lying. Some says, "Don't start lying to us, Walter." One guy said, "I don't believe anything you say." A lot of people said it was clickbait. There was nothing clickbait about that damn video. The title was, "The Internal Revenue is Sending Out Checks," and they are sending out checks. They read into it what they wanted to read into it. They read stimulus checks. I never said anything about stimulus checks. I said interest payment checks from your income tax return. Don't accuse me of clickbait. I do not do that. When you hear something from me, it's the truth, the way I know the truth. I love you all. Ciao.